Hi there, it's Amanda with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you a beautiful lip oil that I use a lot. So this is the Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Happy. When it comes to Rare Beauty products, I love all of them because they are amazing. And this lip oil specifically is gorgeous. It has a beautiful color. If you love the color pink like me, you will love this lipstick. It's also long lasting, so that's something that I really like. I can spend the whole day with it and it doesn't like come off easily. Also, I like the fact that if I want, I can remove the gloss with a napkin if I don't want gloss, and my lips are left with color. So that's something really interesting about this lip oil. I like to use it like every single day, and my lips, even though they are very dry, they don't suffer because the lipstick has oils like the coconut oil, and this makes my lips moisturized and hydrated. So this is the Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Happy. I really love it, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.